Hey everyone, welcome back to Local Living. I'm Anna Christina and I'm joined by Sean Collett from Mortgage First. You're the owner and broker of the business. Introduce everybody to who you are.
Hey, I'm Sean Collett. I'm the owner of Mortgage First Augusta here off Jimmy Dice Parkway in Augusta.
Well, let's talk about what you do, because obviously you're a little bit different than a bank. You're the broker. Tell me what that means for our viewers.
Well, a broker is different than a bank in the fact that I don't close loans in my own name.
Okay.
I sell the loans off to my investors that I've set up relationships with.
And what does that mean for the people that are coming in to do their mortgage through you?
Well, it allows people that can't maybe go in traditional bank product. It allows me to do some different things for them. It gives me the opportunity to give different rates than a bank would be, because I'm wholesaling rates versus just the retail bank side.
So people actually have a few options depending on what their credit score looks like and what their situation is.
That's correct.
Is that right?
That's correct.
And how does that work? Can you give me an example?
Well, a bank may have, one of the community banks or big national banks may have a set, hey, this is where we cut our credit scores out, or this is where we cut our debt to income ratios at, and Fannie or Freddie, which is the one that makes the rules, will take higher than that. Well, my investors, if one of them won't do it, I'll probably have one that will.
That will. So a lot of options when it comes to that, which is great for the people that might be watching that are looking and interested in getting into a home. But let's talk about credit score. I know that a lot of people, they're okay with their credit score. Some people might struggle with their credit score. How does that affect getting a loan?
Well, a credit score can affect your rate. So, you know, the higher your credit score is going to give you the best opportunity for the best rates that are available. And as the credit score goes down, it can definitely affect the ability to get a more affordable, possibly loan. And it may also affect the type of loan that you get. You know, maybe it has to push you into an FHA loan because you're below the conventional guidelines, or outside of the box loan.
Right. And well, and that's something, again, if you are looking to get a loan or get into a home, you can call up Sean and he can help answer any of your questions that you might have. But let's talk about what the steps are to pre-qualify for a loan. What does that look like?
Well, when you pre-qualify for a loan, obviously your real estate agent wants you to come in with a piece of paper saying, hey, this person, I can go out there and take this person around and they're not going to waste my time. So it just shows when you go put your offer out for the house that you're looking at, that you are not wasting anyone's time, that you've actually taken some steps to go to a bank or a mortgage broker, and
like yourself.
That's right. And
to help with that piece of paper.
That's right. To make sure that you've at least put the foot forward to try to make sure you're qualified to buy the property. Right.
Again, because the real estate agent, you know, time is money, right? Pretty much. And so if you come here, again, Sean can help you with that to see whether or not you pre-qualify, and then you can get on your way to finding your dream home, right?
That's right.
Look at Sean, you're just helping people find and get into their homes.
That's our goal.
All right. Thank you so much, Sean,
for
joining us. We appreciate it. Listen, if you have any questions for Sean, you can call the number on the screen or visit his website.